Hello students, let's move for the fourth sum in the exercise 7.1. Let's read the sum. Check whether 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma 2 are the vertices of the isosceles triangle. Students, keep in mind isosceles triangle in the sense two sides are equal. If the two sides are equal, then that is said to be the isosceles triangle. Let's find out is the isosceles in the sense AB, BC, CA. In that AB equal to BC, two sides. Let's find out the distance between the 2 points first. The 2 points they has given. If you have taken the isosceles triangle like that, okay, consider this is isosceles triangle A, B, C, and A is the point of 5 comma minus 2 vertices points coordinates. B points are 6 comma 4 and C points are 7 comma minus 2. So in the isosceles means AB equal to AC or AB equal to BC. So then it is said to be the isosceles triangle. So let's find out first AB. AB in the sense the distance formula only we want to use. I mean distance between the A and B is called as AB. Distance between the B and C is called as BC. Distance between the A and C is called as AC. Okay, let's find out AB. The formula we know that AB also we can write or D we can write, but here the triangle has given, no? So for that sake we have to take AB only. The formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Considered A, the 5 comma minus 2 is a point A and 6 comma 4 is B and 7 comma minus 2 is a vertex C points coordinates. Clear? So in this we have to take AB in the sense first 2 points. Let's write given for AB. This is a given for AB only. X1, Y1. X1 is the first, that is the 5 comma minus 2, and x2, y2 is the second coordinates. So x2 is 6 and y2 is 4. Okay, you have to take down like that, and we have to substitute now. AB equals square root of x2 in the sense 6 minus x1 is 5, 6 minus 5 whole square plus y2 is 4 and y1 is minus 2. So in the sense minus 2 in the sense minus into minus plus 2 whole square. So that square root of 6 minus 5 is 1 square plus 4 plus 2 in the sense 4 plus 2 is you know already, that is the 6 square. So that equal to 1 square in the sense 1 only plus 6 square in the sense 6 are 36. So 36 plus 1 is root 37 is the value of AB. Okay. In the same way we have to calculate the BC. So BC equals square root of same formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. BC in the sense B points and C coordinates we have to take. So for this the given is x. This is for BC, you can note down, and this is for given for AB. Okay. So BC x1 y1. So let's take B, that is the x1 is 6 and y1 is 4. Then we have to write the x2 y2. So in a C x2 is 7 and y2 is minus 2 because BC we took, no? So for that sake, clear? So here we have to substitute the same. X2 is 7 minus x1 is 6, 7 minus 6 whole square plus y2 is minus 2 and y1 is minus 4. So plus 4 is there, here minus symbol is there, that's why minus 4 whole square. So that equal to square root of 7 minus 6 in the sense 1 square, minus into minus is minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6 whole square only. So minus 6 whole square in the sense 1 square means 1, minus 6 into minus 6 is plus only, 6 6 are 36. So that equal to 36 plus 1 is 37, root 37, which is, that is the BC. So and finally we have to find out CA. CA in the sense same formula, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So let us write the given for CA. CA given it is, that is the x1 y1 x2 y2. So C in the sense the 7 comma minus 2 and A means y5 comma minus 2. So students, you should be very careful while taking a points. C first we have to take, for that in that x1 is 7 and y1 is minus 2 and A x1 x2 is 5 and y2 is minus 2. And so let us substitute that points. See, x2 is 5 minus x1 is 7 whole square plus y2 is minus 2, then y1 is minus 2 whole square. If minus of minus 2 is there, you should write in bracket always, otherwise you will get confusion, for that sake. Okay, keep that thing in mind. So then, so square root of 5 minus 7 is minus 2 whole square plus, first we have to take the minus 2, minus into minus is plus 2 whole square. So that equal to square root of minus 2 whole square in the sense 2 2s are 4, minus 2 plus 2 is 0, 0 square. 0 square in the sense 0 only, right? Okay, 4 plus 0 is, we got here, that is the square root of 4 only. For this square root of 4, you know the square numbers, that is 2. Okay, CA we got 2. So finally here you have to check AB equals BC or equals CA or not. You have to check that. Yes, AB is root 37, BC is also root 37. Here AB equals BC, but it's not equal to CA. Two are equal. So here in this case AB equal to BC but not equal to CA. But it is AB equals BC, no? So two sides are equal. So therefore here two sides are equal. So therefore ABC is a isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle, we can tell this. Okay, triangle ABC is a isosceles triangle. Hope you will understand this. Keep in mind, isosceles in the sense to any two sides equal, equilateral triangle in the sense all the three sides should be equal. Let's go for the fifth sum in that exercise. In a classroom, four friends are seated at the points A, B, C, D. They are seated at the points, I think you can see the points A, B, C and D. They are sitting at the point. Champa and Chameli walk into the class and after observing for a few minutes, Champa asks Chameli, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" Chameli disagree. Using a distance formula, find which of them is correct. Okay, the four friends A, B, C, D, these are the friends. They are sitting in a one classroom actually. So Champa and Chameli, like that A and B or Champa and Chameli, like that the names they has given, walk into the class. They are walk into the class. For few minutes, after few minutes, ಕೆಲವು ನಿಮಿಷ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಚಂಪಾ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಚಮಿಲಿ, ಚಂಪಾ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಕೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ ಬಿನ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್, ದಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಇನ್ ಅ dotted line for your reference. So is ABCD is a square. ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ರೂಮು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಚಮೇಲಿ ಡಿಸಗ್ರಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಚಮೇಲಿ ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ, ಬಿ ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ. ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫೈಂಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. Let's students, you have to mark first which are the points of coordinates of A, B, C and D. Then it is easy for you. The coordinates of A is meeting in a graph sheet 3 in x-axis and y-axis it is 4. So A points we can write here 3, 4. Note down that. And B point we can write here, B is meet x-axis, it is a 6 and a y-axis is 7. So B points are 6, 7. You can note down. And C point is, C is x-axis 9 and y-axis is 4. So C point we can write 9, 4. And D points are, D x-axis is 6 and y-axis is 1. So D point we can write as 6, 1. So this points coordinates are very important. A is 3, 4. B is 6, 7. C is 9, 4 and D is 6, 1. Okay, 6, 1. First we want to write X, then only the Y point. Okay. So if it is a square, if it is a isosceles, two sides are equal. If it is a square, all the four sides are equal. I mean AB equal to BC, that equal to CD, that equal to AD. Like that, all the four sides are equal and the diagonals are also equal. I mean the BD equal to AC or AC equal to BD. That is the square property, as you know that. So we have to find out first AB. If it is a square, first we have to find out AB in the sense square. So write the formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So for this we have to write the given for this, for AB. So I told you A you have to take as first and B, AB. A is 3, 4 and B is 6, 7. So x1 y1, x2 y2. Okay, x1 y1, x2 y2. So x1 is here 3, y1 is 4 and x2 is 6 and y2 is 7. 6, 7. Let us substitute for this. AB equals square root of x2 in the sense 6 minus x1 means 4, 6 minus 3 whole square plus y2 is 7 minus y1 is 4 whole square. So that equal to 6 minus 3 in the sense 3 square plus 7 minus 4 in the sense 3 square again. So that equal to 3 square in the sense 3 3s are 9 plus 3 3s are 9. So square root of 9 plus 9 is 18. Square root of 18. Okay. Square root of 18 is the first AB. So we can also write as AB equals square root of 18. We can write 9 into 2. 9 2s are 18. Because for the 9 there is a square number. So if you are writing a square number for the 9, that is 3. 3 root 2 is a AB. 3 root 2 is AB. Let's find out now AB after BC. So let's find out BC. So for the BC, this is a given for AB and this is a given for BC. Note down that. So for the BC, B and C points we want to take. Keep in mind. So x1, y1, B point is 6 and 7. Then x2, y2. Let's take the C coordinates, that is the 9, 4. C coordinates are 9, 4. So that is x2 is 9 and y2 is 4. So let us substitute that formula. So x2 is 9 minus x1 is 6, 9 minus 6 whole square plus y2 minus y1, that means 4 minus y1 is 7, 4 minus 7 whole square. So that equal to square root of 9 minus 6 in the sense 3 square plus minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3 plus minus 3 whole square. Nothing but it is 3 3s are 9, minus 3 square in the sense minus 3 into minus 3 is also 9. 9 plus 9 is square root of 18. So square root of 18 we can write again that as a square root of 9 into 2, that equal to 3 root 2 only. This is the value of BC. Next we have to find out CA. CA in the sense we want to take C and A points. So this is for given for CA, x1, y1, C points. C point x1 is 9, y1 is 4, and A point, sorry, CD we want to take. A, B, B, C, CD. Sorry, not CA. This is CD. D points you have to take. D is 6 comma 1. So x2 is 6 and y2 is 1. 6 comma 1. Right? Okay. Let us substitute the formula. So x2 is 6 minus x1 is 9 whole square plus y2 is 1 minus y1 is 4 whole square. So that equal to 6 minus 9 in the sense minus 3 whole square plus minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3 whole square. So that equal to minus 3 in the sense that nothing but minus 3 in the square in the sense 9 plus minus 3 square is 9. 9 plus 9 is root 18. Root 18 nothing but the root 9 2 or 3 root 2 we can write. So yes, CD we got, and the last one we want to find out, that is the DA or AD. So this is the given for DA in the sense D we want to take first, that is the 6 comma 1, x1 y1, x1 is 6, y1 is 1, then x2 y2 in a 3 comma 4, x2 is 3, y2 is 4. So let us substitute that form values. x2 is 3 minus x1 is minus 6 whole square plus y2 is 4 minus y1 is 1 whole square. 4 minus 1 whole square. So how much we got now? 3 minus 6 nothing but the minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 1 means 3 square only. So minus 3 whole square nothing but minus 3 into minus 3 is 9 plus 3 3s are 9. That equal to 9 plus 9 is root 18. Nothing but this is also 3 root 2. Students, for everything, I mean for AB is also 3 root 2, BC is also 3 root 2, CD is also 3 root 2, and DA is also 3 root 2. So all the sides are equal now. So let us check the diagonals. Diagonals in the sense these things, I mean AC and BD. Let us find out if they are equal, then it is a square. Sure it is. So let us find out the AC. AC in the sense we want to take A comma C. These are the diagonals. Okay. Square root of. So this is the given for AC in the sense diagonals. So that is x1 A. Let's write the A points 3 comma 4 and x2 y2 C points. So we have to take the C points, that is 9 comma 4. 9 comma 4. So let us substitute here. x2 means 9 minus x1 is 3. 9 minus 3 whole square plus y2 is 4 and y1 is minus 4. y2 is 4 and minus 4 whole square. So that equal to 9 minus 3 in the sense 6 square plus 4 minus 4, 4 minus 4 is 0 square. 6 root 6 in the sense what we will get 6 is root 36. So square number for root 36 is 6. We know that, right? This is for AC. And one more diagonal CD we have to check. Sorry, AC after BD. BD we have to check that. BD. So here you have to write the given for BD. So no place here. BD given, I am writing here. B and D points we want to take. First we have to take a B points x1, y1. The B points are 6 and 7, and D point x2, y2. D points are 6, 1. I mean 6, 1. Let us substitute for this. X2 minus x1 in the sense 6 minus 6 whole square plus y2 minus y1 in the sense 1 minus y1 is 7. 1 minus 7 whole square. So square root of 6 minus 6 is 0 square plus minus 7 plus 1 is minus 6 whole square. Minus 6 whole square in the sense root 36 only, that equal to square root of 36. Square number for this, that is the 6. So here you can check AC and BD both are equal. Okay. So here therefore we can write AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. DA in the sense all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. In the same way, the diagonals, which are those diagonals? AC equal to BD. So these are the two diagonals. Two diagonals are diagonals. We can write diagonals are equal. Equal. Therefore, we can say it is a square. ABCD is a square. Therefore, we can write Chameli or Champa is correct. Okay. Chameli asked, Champa asked Chameli, don't you? Chameli disagree. Chameli disagreed, no? So, therefore, Champa is correct. Okay. Who is correct? Champa. Champa argument is correct. Thank you. Hope you will understand this.